Welcome to 2024. You looking for the latest movies and TV shows available on the Fire TV stick? Listen, I got you guys covered. We're here to help. We're here to do what we need to do. What do you want to watch today? Alright. You will need to download an application called a Downloader. Just go over to the little search icon, magnifying glass, and type in Downloader. DOWN should come up pretty quick. Click on it. It'll ask you to install it. If you don't already own it, get it, own it, install it, throws it in the queue, downloads it quickly, and it's ready to go. Now we'll need to jailbreak our Fire Stick. Head over to the little settings icon, come down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed, click on About on My Fire TV, click it 7 times on your select button on your remote, and now no need Murray developer. Then developer options should be enabled. We can turn on ADB debugging, install unknown apps on Downloader, turn it on. This will allow Downloader to install other applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. Once that's on, we can head over to the 3 squares plus sign, look for Downloader, use the 3-line button on your remote, and move this app to the front, because this will be our new way to find applications. Now let's make sure we keep our online activity safe and secure. Get yourself a nice reliable VPN. Under the search icon, type in Surfshark. VPN. Surfshark's a very simple, easy to use, cheap VPN that will save us some hassle in the future. Once you get it, download it, install it, open it. Now here I already have Surfshark. I already have some quick links here. Let's try New York. Quick connect. It wants to set up a connection. Yes, allow it. And away we go. Now guys, open up a Downloader. Downloader wants to access our photos, media, and files on our device. Say allow. Quick start guide here. In the URL search area, we're going to type in 370178. This will be a quick link to our ledbytheunknown.com website, directly to the download page. There's a short little 5-second redirect. Once the redirect's done, click on the 3-line button on your remote, and then we can add current page to the favorites, name it, and save it, and we won't have to wait for that redirect anymore. Okay guys, on the download page we got a top 10 list and explanation how to install applications. Here's the movies and TV shows and live TV apps. Click on Fossum. It'll ask you to install it. And then click Done. Delete the APK because we no longer need that file. And simple. Let's go back to the home screen. The 3 squares plus sign. And Fossum. Ready to go. Let's open it up. Forever awesome TV and movies. if you're looking for movies and TV shows, check out this application, guys. It's got a lot of new ones, old ones, family, crime, discovery, science fiction, new 2023 releases. If you're interested, check it out. Perfect. Shows, latest, live content. Recommended. Shows. True crime, comedy, reality TV. All that. Super quick, super easy. Hope you enjoy it. Peace.